Most gardens fail before the first plant even goes in, and it all comes down to the soil. If you already have a garden bed, here's how to prepare it for a new season the right way. Start by clearing everything out: dead plants, weeds, and especially the roots. Leaving roots behind can steal nutrients and cause problems later. Next, loosen the soil about 6 to 10 inches deep. This adds air back into the soil, which roots need to grow. Don't overwork it. The soil should be loose and crumbly, not powder. Now technically, this is where you would test your soil. It tells you the pH and nutrients so you know exactly what to add. But if you want to keep it simple, compost is always a safe place to start. Add a generous layer of compost and mix it into the top layer of soil. Compost improves structure, drainage, and nutrients all at once. It helps sandy soil hold water and loosens heavy clay. You can either grow what your soil supports or adjust the soil for what you want to grow. If needed, you can adjust nutrients or pH, but for most gardens, compost gets you most of the way there. Water everything in. This helps activate the soil and settle everything into place. If you have time, let the soil rest for a few days before planting. It settles and improves even more. Good gardens don't start with plants, they start with soil.
If you're looking for more information, step-by-step guides, or simple DIY projects you can actually finish, you can find it all at Imagine That DIY on our website and social channels. If you'd like a fun break from the projects, be sure to check out our sister channel, The Barnyard Frequency. If you'd like to support what we're building, it's completely optional but always appreciated. All the links for Imagine That DIY, The Barnyard Frequency, and support are on the screen below. And remember, keep it simple, silly.